Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-HC20 Stereo music player and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this, not connecting to your musical device, or if the buttons on the top are not working or whatever like that, not responding, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues if it's not working. The second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to wipe all the presets and everything off of it and get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do this quite easily. First thing we're going to do is just unplug it. And then once it's unplugged, we're just going to come on the top and find the power button and once it's unplugged, we're going to wait for at least 3 minutes. After those 3 minutes are up, then we're going to come and find the power button on the top, press and hold the power button, and then with the power button held down, go ahead and plug it back in. And then just continue to hold that power button until you see a bunch of dashes come across the screen. Just dash, 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 dash all across the screen, at which point you can release the power button and all of the settings should be back to their factory out of the box defaults.